So this is a single button local multiplayer, one button each player. So you can see this controller only has one button, so that's perfect for this game. And basically the rules of the game are, you still focus by pressing the button. While you're focused, you earn points, but if you press while you're focused, you lose points as a punishment. And the one who gets more points wins. So try to play and see if you can figure it out. Just press. Yeah.
I win.
No.
But don't.
Okay, so you were green. Try again. We have 2 minutes, so you can play again. So you're blue? Yeah. This one is green. Now you. Du bist den. Two more volunteers. Come on, this time. No, there's no time. It's 20 seconds. It's 20 seconds a game. Okay.
Thank you.
So the point of the game is that you have to trick the other player into double clicking.